Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let me quickly show you the way that you fix the Instagram password reset problem. Now, if you've forgotten the password or for whatever reason, if you're trying to reset it and you're not being able to do so, in today's video, let me show you a couple of steps that you can follow. The first thing that you can do is try to clear the cache or reinstall the app of Instagram. If you're using an Android device, you can just hop out of your Instagram app, tap and hold the application and then head over to app info. You can also reach the screen through the settings on your phone. Once you're inside of this setting, you can tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear all data. This will make sure that all of the caches are cleared out. Now, by doing this step alone, you should be able to fix the issue. The second thing that you can do is try to generate a new link. Whenever you request a new link and if it is not received, you can again tap on the resend link button and a new link or a new code will be sent to your email address. Make sure you also check the spam folder, as sometimes these emails will be directed to your spam folder inside of your email account. So quickly head over to the spam folder and make sure that this folder is also cleared out. Lastly, if none of these steps work out, what you can do is try using a browser on your desktop or on your laptop and try resetting your password from this step. Type in instagram.com on your browser, and right here as well you'll have the option called forgot password. Through these steps you should be able to fix the Instagram password reset problem. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.